Hi, I'm Mike Smalley, welcome to Bearwolf Strength. Previously we talked about assistance exercises for our main movements. Today we're going to look at one for the bench press, primarily helping the lockout, so we're looking at the dip. So in bench pressing, the lockout will be the final phase, i.e. we'll be looking to get the arms extended fully, and along with good mechanics, we're going to keep the shoulders down and good overall shoulder position. When we're looking at lockout on the bench, you say the primary muscle group is going to be the triceps, so big muscles on the back of the arm, which are looking to be effective, but also good for aesthetics. So if we're looking at a parallel bar dip, we look at having set up a roughly shoulder width. We want to be able to keep a good shoulder position at the top. So first and foremost, you've got to take your body weight in a locked out position. So shoulders are down, lats are engaged, and arms are extended. Wrists pretty stacked as well, so we want to look at keeping a strong wrist position, not folding back too much, and getting set up there. Hollow through the midsection slightly, so the core is engaged and braced. And then we're going to be able to move through to about 90 degrees at the elbow. But at the end of the day, if we're starting off with this, we want to look at a safe range of motion. So how far can you bring yourself down without the shoulder positioning being compromised? Okay, so from the bottom of your dip, you're obviously looking to push back up to extension, hence the carry over to the lockout in the bench press. Same thing applies, we look at maintaining shoulder position. When we hit the top, we do lockout at the elbow, so extending the triceps, but again, strong through shoulders, lats engaged. So again, that shoulder stability overall is vital to the movement. We've talked about the lats engaging, shoulder positioning during the bench. In any upper body movement, it's key. We obviously want those things to carry over. We are looking at dips as being a lockout assistance, but in terms of the overall position that you keep with your upper body, we want that to carry over also. You can look at it as how you would treat most compound exercises. You don't necessarily want it to be super high reps. With strength training, generally it won't be anyway. But if we're looking at anything up to 12 reps, when you can get to 12 reps safely, with good form, then you can look at potentially adding on weight. So you can use a dipping belt, dipping stroke pull-up belt, however you want to class it, add a bit of weight on that way. And if we're keeping our reps, normally I say between the 6 and 12 rep range, that's a good safe position. For me personally, I find with dips, if you're looking at going less than 6 reps, the difficulty in setting up and getting yourself into a good strong start position and being able to go through your sets safely with what would be relatively a heavy load, if you're doing less reps than 6, maybe it's not worth the trade-off in what you could do with a bench press variant, for instance, close grip bench press. So yeah, swings and roundabouts, but you're looking at 6 to 12 reps as a good rep range for your dips. Any questions about the dips, drop us a message, let us know how you're going.